Hey everyone, this is how to log into Hopper. So first open the Hopper app, and if you have previously signed out and want to log in again, the home screen will look something like this. So to log in, simply tap on the top right corner of your screen and there will be a blue button called signed in and start saving. So tap on it. And from here, you'll see two options. Simply tap on continue with Google, then select the same email that you used previously. And after you select the previous email which you've logged into before, it won't ask you for any other verification. It will simply load your previous account. And it is that easy. This is how you can log into Hopper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.